Okay, it's calendar time and daily warm-up, so let's get started. Okay, so today's Monday, May 11th, but of course we didn't do the weekend, so let's fill that in. So Saturday was May 9th, and Sunday was Mother's Day, May 10th, and today is Monday, May 11th. 11. Hey, going over to our calendar, or our weather tracker, I mean. Today's temperature is 72 degrees, and it's sunny with some clouds. So let's do both. We'll do both, and we'll color both. So I'm going to do a sun, and I'm going to do some clouds. Remember, for our clouds, we shade with the side of our pencil. A few clouds in the sky. A little bit cooler, thank goodness. It's been so hot. Then I'm going to color. Okay, so over here, we're going to do a pie chart, piece of pie for sunny. And then we'll also do a piece of pie for cloudy. And our clouds are going to be pencil gray. So I'm going to shade in my cloud. And then I'm going to color in one piece of pie for cloudy, since it's sunny and cloudy. It's going to burn off, though. It'll be a nice day. Okay, so there we are. So now we're ready to start. And we are on day 17. Day 17. Okay, so we're going to be starting with contractions. Circle the contraction that means you will. So remember, you in a contraction, the first word does not change. Then the next one, circle the contraction that means is not. And the is does not change. So I'm going to give you some think time for that. Okay, so you, I don't know what that is. You'd, well, that's not you will, that's you would. So this is, I've never seen that before, and that's the wrong one. And here's the part where they have just the LL in will, you'll. So we have isn't, but this one is wrong because there's nothing that was taken out of here. Remember, the apostrophe is to take the place of a letter. So there was no letter between these two. So it can't be that one. Looks like it. There's this one and this one. Well, I've never seen that. Isn't. There we go. Okay, moving over to mental math. Mental math. So this is just like what we were doing. We're adding 10 and taking away 10. So when you find the number 42 plus 10, so it has to get bigger. 42, 10 more. Okay? So I'm going to put on the think time, and I'll put my hundreds chart there for you to look at. Okay, if you need more time, just stop the video and look at Mrs. Beth's hundreds chart, or if you have a hundreds chart on your homework folder, you can look at that. So 42 plus 10. So 4 plus 1 more is 5, and the 2 doesn't change. 42, 52. 69 is 6 plus 1 is 7, and the 9 doesn't change. 79, 69, 79. 48, take away 10. So this time I have to get smaller. So 4 take away 1 is 3, and the 8 doesn't change. 38. So 48, take away 1, 38. 93, take away 10. So I have to get smaller. 9, take away 1 is 8. And the 3 doesn't change. So 93, where's 93? Here he is. Take away is 83. Okay? Moving on to our next section, time. Looking at the clock. Okay? So this hand should be all the way up. We start with the smallest hand first, the hour hand, and it's pointing directly at the 3. So that means 3. And then when the minute hand points straight up, we say 0, 0. So that's called 3 o'clock. Our next section is shape. What shape is this? Write the name of the shape. Well, it's not a square because just this part is a square. When it looks like this, it's three-dimensional, and that's called a cube. And cube has a magic E on the end. Makes the U say U. Starts with a C. K. Cube. Okay, if I don't put an E on it, that's cub. The U saying I want him to say U, so I put magic E, cube. Okay, we're going to write the next one is the name of this picture, and that is a snail. Sn, a-o, sn. What is the beginning sounds in snail? S, n. Right between the lines. It also has a vowel team. A. 2 letters walking together to make one sound. Has to start with A, because you hear the A. S-n-a-o. Has to have another vowel here, and it is an I. The vowel team A-I, and ends with O. Snail. Okay. Okay, so now we have vowels. It says color the pictures with the long A vowel sound. So I'm going to color my pictures with red violet. So we have wave, bike, vase, mice, and gate. So I'm going to put on the music, and I want you to color the pictures with long A. I guess we don't have music. Here we go. Okay, so which ones say A? Wave, wave does. So I'm going to color my wave. Bike, Ike. No. Vase, ace. Yes. Mice, I. Nope. Gate, gate. Yes. Okay. And our last section is synonyms. Remember, synonyms are the same. A synonym. So we're going to think of another word for large, another word for beautiful, and another word for tiny. So a synonym. So I'll give you a minute. Synonyms mean the same. So, I have a large dog. So another word for large is I could say I have a big dog. So big is a synonym for large. You could do humongous. Beautiful. The flower is beautiful. A synonym for beautiful, you could say the flower is pretty. Pretty and beautiful. Pretty. Tiny. The guppies are tiny. So another word for tiny would be small. The guppies are small. So I'm going to write small here. You could write itty bitty. Okay? So that's done now. So we're going to go give yourself a star for day 17. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 18. Have a great day.